If you're comfortable, please close your eyes. Just allow yourself to be present, to breathe. Allow yourself to stay in this moment. And I'll invite you to join with me in a practice I do often, and I've shared here before with you, is to, again, just bring your awareness to your middle of your forehead, your third eye, your ability to see, your ability to understand, our power of understanding. And if you want, you can just tap gently on that area and awaken that aliveness. And invite understanding into this moment. As curiosity, not as blame, not as this is better than that, but actually as curiosity of what would be possible. And then you can follow down into your belly, your solar plexus, another place of insight. That place where we get butterflies, that place where we get that feeling sometimes of what's right or what doesn't work. And again, you can just rub your belly so gently or tap on it and just enliven that area. Become present. Open up that sensory. And you can breathe in, let that go. And I'll invite you now to bring your awareness to your heart space. And again, you can just gently press on your heart space, tap at the top of your chest, right where your rib cage ends. Just awaken and enliven that area. Bring your awareness to your heart space. Another area of intelligence for us. There's so much energy around us, through us, in us, from our heart connection. And so what we're inviting is our three main intelligence centers to work together, to become one. And this whole time, you keep breathing. You keep welcoming love in. And you keep allowing love to be breathed out. And so we're opening our hearts. We're opening our wisdom. We're opening our intelligence, our understanding. So that we can be the gift of love and forgiveness and mercy that we've wanted at times in our life, where we've hoped that we would be seen and heard. Again, we breathe in deep. We let that go.